B.E.A. family, what is happening? Today I'm going to unbox for you guys a new hobby of mine that I found. The cameraman got me into this hobby. Some BMX action going on here. So Sub Rosa is the brand, and I'm going to unbox it and show you guys what's inside. My first BMX bike ever, so excited for it for sure. Comes in one box. Sub Rosa, I hear, is a good entry-level bike if you're just starting. So I didn't want to spend too much money or go crazy. I think I got this shipped to my house for about $410. That's with shipping included. I think for now it goes about $360, you'd say. 360 bucks it goes for. Oh, there goes the seat. So some ways on how to not unbox would be that. So just unboxing it for you guys, uncovering some of the plastic. Got the pedals in there, I'll show you in a minute. Some more stuff was in here. The seat's over there. Once I get it all unwrapped, I'll show you guys. The seat here, nice looking seat. I'll probably upgrade though, so my tush is a little bit comfier when I am sitting down on it. But I do love the matte. I do love the matte finish. Basically looks unfinished if you really think of it, with all the weld marks here. Really shows the nature of it. They didn't really cover it up. That's actually how it's designed to look like that, which is pretty cool. Integrated headset. Upside down. Took off some of the bolts and the washers. Just gonna apply the front tire now and flip it over, and then we'll start with the handlebars and the seat. Not much to it. Luckily, it already comes, I'd say, about 70% done, realistically. The parts that you'll see are just some safety lights and extra accessories. The pedals, obviously. The seat and the handlebars is all we have left besides the tire, which we're gonna tighten up right now. This is a ratchet, right?
Yeah, you want to start over?
Unscrewed all the 6mm bolts here to undo the top. Place these handlebars in there. I'm gonna center everything out once I tighten them up a little bit more, and we'll take it from there. Alright, so I have multi-use Allen key here, a few different millimeter and sizes. We just applied the seat here. As simple as putting this pole end here into the insert and then tightening it up here with 5mm hex. That's simple to adjustable to your height, whatever you feel comfortable. I'm just getting the bike going now, and then I'm gonna figure out what is most comfortable for me. Alright, so just adjusting the handlebars here now. Tightening these hex screws as you go. What I was told is to tighten them diagonally. If you're starting here, screw on this one, then hop on this one. You don't want to do clockwise or counterclockwise. You want it diagonally to keep the bike, the handlebars, stationed as best as possible. You don't want them to be like lopsided. I really do love these pedals. Rant Trail plastic pedals. Should probably take the left sticker off because I think I know what side it's on now. 20.75 inch top tube, 20 inch tires. Alright, so now just inflating the tires. Everything's on. We're going to tighten everything up. 60 PSI tires here. I don't have a gauge, so I'm just basically eyeballing it, trying to feel it, see how inflated it's getting. Alright, so finished product, as you guys can see. Pedals are on, seats in, the handlebars are mounted. To my liking. Obviously up to you guys what preference you would like. I really do like the matte finish. Everything, as you can see, just isn't finished, I guess you could call it. It's not like it looks like it literally just came out of the warehouse, which I think is really cool. I love the blue, complements the black, and this gray, what have you, complements that well. I'll probably get new colored grips and stuff to customize it a little bit more to my own liking. For the pedals here, we just tighten them up. There's a bolt here that you tighten. It's 15mm wrench that you would need just to tighten that up. And as you guys saw, like I said, probably 70% complete as it came in the box. One box, about 27.9 pound bike. My buddy told me to do a drop test to make sure it sounds pretty quiet, which is good. You guys don't hear much rattling or anything of that nature. Right before we were filming, we tried the drop test and it was rattling a little bit. We had to tighten, what's this piece called?
Compression bolt.
The compression bolt we had to tighten first before tightening the side bolts here, and that eliminated the sound, and it sounds pretty damn good now. Adjusted the seat to my liking. I'm excited to try it out, man. Like I said, just so all you guys know, this is my first time riding a BMX bike. I know very little about it, but I wanted to get out there and try a new hobby. I think it's really fun. I love watching videos of people doing it, so I wanted to try it out. So this is the review. Sub Rosa Tyro matte finish with the blue. Rant Trill plastic pedals, Rant tires. Very excited to try this out. 9-inch handlebars, and I didn't even mention the top tube here, 20.75 inches. So definitely gonna try this out, and I will make a review